So, good day everyone. Today we'll be presenting our ASEAN trade analysis. So, we will dive into the dynamics of trade within the ASEAN region, highlighting key opportunities, challenges, and our group's strategic insights for leveraging ASEAN's economic potential. So, a gateway for trade, finance, and innovation in ASEAN. So Singapore is strategically positioned as a central hub for international business within ASEAN. So leveraging its strong governance, world-class infrastructure, and open economy. So research phase, key industries and exports. So Singapore excels in several leading industries. One is electronics, so a global leader in semiconductor manufacturing and precision engineering, chemicals, home to major petrochemical and specialty chemical facilities, also in financial services, a top regional financial center offering stability and innovation, and also in tourism, a vibrant industry supported by cultural diversity and strong hospitality infrastructure. So, major exports includes integrated circuits, refined petroleum, and pharmaceuticals, reflecting Singapore's technological sophistication and high value production base.
Trade agreements and policies. Key trade agreements are ASEAN Trade in Goods Agreement, where it promotes a free flow of goods within ASEAN, and Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, as it expands market access and harmonizes of trade rule across Asia Pacific. Now the relevant policies are reduced tariffs. It lowers the import or export duties for eligible goods. And we have the streamlined customs procedures, as it has a faster clearance, standardized documentation, and improved transparency. And the impact for foreign businesses are lowering operating and entry costs, improved supply chain efficiency, and it does a market reach across ASEAN and RCEP member countries. Economic strength and challenges in Singapore. So there are three strengths. First, strong legal framework, where Singapore has a clear and reliable laws. This creates a safe and predictable environment for businesses and investors. Second, skilled workforce. This country has invested when it comes to education and training, so the company has qualified, tech-savvy, and efficient employees. And last, advanced infrastructure, world-class transportations, digital networks, and logistics systems make it easy to do businesses locally and globally. There are also three challenges. First, high operating costs. So rent, salaries, and utilities are expensive, which can make running a business costly. Second, reliance on imports. So Singapore imports most of its raw material and food, so it's vulnerable of global supply chain disruptions. And last, intense competition. Because Singapore is a regional hub, many international businesses compete there, making the market very competitive.
Hi, good day. My name is Beryl Joseph Apelledo and I will be discussing the research space market opportunities. Emerging growth sectors. Fintech. Expansion of digital banking and mobile payment system. So this means that the growth of digital banking and mobile payment system present significant opportunity for innovation and investment. Second is the e-commerce. Rapid digital transformation and consumers' demand for online platforms. This means that the rapid shift toward online platform and increasing consumers' demand for online service is driving growth in the consumers e-commerce sectors. Third and the last one is sustainable solution. Government lead initiative promoting environmental responsibility. So this means that the government initiative promoting environmental responsibility are creating opportunities for business focused on sustainable solution. So why Singapore? Singapore offers a technologically advanced ecosystem supportive government government initiatives and a growing base of environmentally conscious consumer. These elements create a fertile ground for modern, sustainability-driven enterprises. So the next topic that I will discuss is the trade analysis. Current state of trade. Singapore maintains a highly diversified trade network with robust linkage across the globe. So this means that Singapore has established a strong trade connection worldwide, enabling it to engage in diverse economic activities. So there are four trending partners of the Singapore. First is the China, second is the Malaysia, third is the United States, and the last one is the Indonesia. China, Malaysia, United States, and Indonesia are identified as Singapore main trending partners, indicate significant trade volumes and economic cooperation. So, trade focus. The trade focus of Singapore is the technologically petrochemical products and advanced service dominate trade flows, reinforcing Singapore's identity as a global commerce hub.
Good day everyone, I'm Jay Antaralba and today I will discuss about trade analysis impact of Asian agreement. So trade benefits. Tariff on most goods has been removed with Asia. Custom procedures are more efficient and transparent. Increase cross-border investment and market across for the company. So the Asian trade agreements have greatly improved economic cooperation and trade among member countries. Through agreements like AFTA and RCEP, tariffs were reduced, making it easier for goods and services to move across borders. These agreements help increase export, attract foreign investment, and create more job opportunities in the region. Countries such as Singapore, Malaysia, and the Philippines benefit from stronger challenges remain such as non-tariff barriers and unequal agreements strengthening regional unity and boosted Southeast Asian position in the global trade.
Okay, let's continue the discussion. Trade analysis. These are the challenges and opportunities. Challenges: rising operational costs make it difficult for new entrants to compete. And second, regional competitors are rapidly advancing in manufacturing and logistics. These are the opportunities: expansion into high-value, sustainable, and digital industries. Second, leveraging Singapore's strategic position as testing ground for innovative products before regional expansion. And the next is strategic expansion plan, product service selection, selected offering, sustainable packaging solutions, introducing eco-friendly, biodegradable, and recyclable packaging materials for local and regional markets. Rationale: Singapore's commitment to environmental sustainability aligns with growing global demand for green alternatives. This product supports both business profitability and Asia's environmental objectives.
Good evening, everyone.
everyone. So I'm going to report the strategic expansion plan, market entry strategy. So what is entry strategy? This is the joint venture partnership with an established a local company specializing in packaging on logistics. We have strategic advantages. So this is access to established distribution network and client relationship. So ito ay mga access sa mga matatag na network na distribution at relasyon sa kliyente. Next is reduce entry risk o shared resources and expertise. So mabawasan ang mga panganib sa pagpasok sa pamamagitan ng pinagsamang mga mapagkukunan at katulubhasaan. Next is immediate brand credibility in the local market. So, agawan ng kredibilidad na tatak sa local na merkado. So, this cooperative approach ensures smooth integration into Singapore competitive business environment while fostering sustainable growth. Okay, next is strategic expansion plan, the risk analysis and mitigation. Political risk, so possible policy or regulatory changes affecting trade. Build strong stakeholders relations and comply with national regulation. So, posibleng pagbabago sa patakaran o regulasyon na nakakaapekto sa kalakalan. Next is economic risk, exchange rate volatility and market fluctuation. So, use hedging instruments and diversify market exposure o pagkasumpungin ng halaga ng palitan at mga pagbabago sa merkado. Next is cultural risk. Difference in consumer behavior and preferences, conduct localized research and adapt branding strategies. Mga pagkakaiba sa pag-uugali at kagustuhan ng mga mamimili. And last is effective risk management, so ensure stability, adaptability, and long-term viability of the project.
Strategic expansion plan. Projected outcomes. Projected business impact. Estimated 20% in revenue within the first operational year. Expansion of market presence across ASEAN through Singapore's global network. Benefits for Singapore and ASEAN. Creation of approximately 50 new skilled jobs. Promotion of sustainable industry practices, economic resilience, and contribution to ASEAN's vision for exclusive sustainable growth. Narito ang mga ilang halimbawa upang maintindihan ang strategic expansion plan. Halimbawa, 50 na taong bagong trabaho, magkakaroon ng mga bagong posisyon tulad ng mga sales representative, marketing specialist, and customer service agent na kailangan para suportan ang paglaki ng negosyo sa ASEAN. Halimbawa ng pag-ambag sa ASEAN, ang kumpanya ay magbibigay ng mga training programs para sa mga lokal na manggagawa, magtataguyod ng mga fair trade practices, at susuportahan ng lokal na komunidad na magpagitan ng mga social responsibility program.